Hi everyone, I hope you are fine. Welcome to Mastercam. So as you know, we have completed the module number 4, which is all about the chaining and toolpath parameters, and we have discussed the chaining basics and chaining options, basic toolpath workflow, toolpath types and tools and holders, general cutting parameters and linking parameters. Now it's time to test your knowledge. So we have few multiple choice questions, and what you have to do is you have to pick the right answer to question. So let's get started. Which of the following steps is not typically a part of toolpath workflow in Mastercam? Option A, inputting CAD geometry. Option B, selecting cutting toolpath. Option C, generating G code directly without simulation. Option D, simulating toolpaths. So the right answer to question is option C, generating G code directly without simulation. So next question is, which feature in Mastercam allows users to adjust cutting parameters and toolpath strategies to optimize machining efficiency? Option A, dynamic toolpath. Option B, stock simulation. Option C, machine simulation. Option D, toolpath editing. So the right answer to question is option D, toolpath editing. So next question is, what does the step over parameter control in Mastercam? Option A, the distance between each passes of the tool. Option B, the number of times the tool passes over the same area. Option C, the angle at which the tool engages with the material. Option D, the depth of the tool's penetration into the material. So the right answer to the question is option A, the distance between each pass of the tool. So next question is, what does the depth of cut parameter in Mastercam refers to? Option A, the thickness of the material being cut. Option B, the distance or the tool moves downward with each pass. Option C, the distance the tool moves sideways during cutting. Option D, the rate at which the tool moves along the workpiece. So the right answer to question is option B, the distance the tool moves downward with each pass. So next question is, which of the following best defines a toolpath in Mastercam? Option A, a 2D representation of machining operation. Option B, a sequence of instructions guiding the movement of cutting tool in 3D space. Option C, a graphical representation of a part design. Option D, a tool library storing various cutting tools for machining operations. So the right answer to question is a sequence of instructions guided the movement of cutting tools in 3D space. So the next question is, what is a surface rough pocket in Mastercam? Option A, a feature used for creating rough surface textures on CNC machine parts. Option B, a toolpath strategy for roughing out materials from pockets with uneven surfaces. Option C, a function for smoothing out surface imperfections on 3D models. Option D, a term used to describe the initial state of pocket before machining begins. So the right answer to question is option B, a toolpath strategy for roughing out materials from pockets with uneven surfaces. The next question, Which strategy is commonly used in surface rough parallel toolpaths to ensure efficient machining in Mastercam? Option A, zigzag. Option C, circular. Option C, spiral. Option D, linear. So the right answer to question is option A, zigzag. So that's for the module number 4. Thank you very much.